work never stops at the Batman garage. This is my 2018. Just got done, or currently draining the oil. I just got done making that special tool, 3/4 inch PVC pipe that allows for controlled oil draining without dumping it all over the sway bar and then making a big giant mess. So hurry up and wait, watch the oil draining. Figure I'd shoot a quick video. Alright, so here's another tip for you. This is a Matco branded funnel. It's part number on it is MAF7. There's a adapter that fits directly into the forward valve covers, 90 or 45 degree elbow. Stick the funnel in it, and then you have spill free, drip free, pour straight into the valve cover. Here's the other adapter pieces that come in that same set. So depending on what style you have, it should fit lots and lots of different engines. This is making life much easier whenever we go to fill this thing back up. Now, me personally, I got long enough arms, so it's not really an issue, but I go from the top side to get at the oil filter. I just find it easier than trying to go around the big chin spoiler on the front bumper. But I realize not everybody's got really long arms either. Of course, this works out much easier if you're not doing it one-handed and holding a GoPro in the other hand, but alright, my next tip is, let's assume you're buying a 5-quart jug that you can find basically anywhere. If you're trying to target a 8-quart capacity and you bought 2 of these, then I always recommend pouring the first one as a 3 quarts, and that way if you happen to go a little bit over, you can leave a little bit out of the second jug. So we'll say we'll go 3 quarts on this one, and then we'll check it. So that's 3 quarts in. And when you go to pour out of your other bottles, you're ready to just dump the whole thing straight away. In my case, I'm using several half jugs, so this is another 3 quarts going in now. Also, if you notice how I'm holding the bottle sideways, that allows air to go up into the bottle. If you pour this direction, the air gets trapped and it'll surge and gurgle and make a bigger mess. Just another pro tip there: if you lay it on that side, it draw air up to the top in a straighter path. And once you get towards the end, then I usually will right it That way we don't have any oil trapped in the handle, and they're ready to just drain it the rest of the way.